Hi everyone, this is Hriday. Today I am here to explain a PowerPoint presentation on the human heart. As you all know, human heart is a main part of our body as its function is to pump blood to all the parts of body. Now we'll see the introduction. Coming to the introduction. Heart is a muscular organ that is situated in the front of the chest. It pumps blood all through the body in a process called circulation. Apart from a heart, the blood vessels and the blood as a unit consist the cardiovascular system. The human heart is one of the most important organ for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with four chambers. The size of a heart is the size about a fist. The human heart functions throughout a person's lifespan as is one of the most and hardest working muscle in the human body. Heart is the hardest and a working muscle in the human body. The best side human, the most other animals also possess a heart that pumps blood throughout their bodies. Even invertebrates such as grasshoppers possess a heart like pumping organs. Through do not function the same way as the human hearts. As the invertebrates like grasshoppers possess heart, but the heart doesn't work similar to the human hearts. Now we will see some functions of the human heart. The functions of the heart is any organs is to maintain a constant flow of blood throughout the body. The oxygen circulates nutrients among the cells and tissues. As blood contains oxygen, oxygen is supplied to all through the body. The following are the main functions of the heart. One of the primary functions of a human heart is to pump blood throughout the body. The body delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose and other components to the various parts of body, including the human heart. The heart also ensures that the blood pressure is maintained in the body, as a heart beats 72 times per minute. These are two types of circulation within the body, namely pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Coming to structures of human heart. The human heart is about size of a human fist and it is divided into four chambers, namely two ventricles and two arteries. The ventricles are the chamber that pumps the blood and the atrium are the chambers which receive the blood, where the two chambers of ventricles pump the blood and the two chambers of atrium receive the blood. Among these, the both atrium and ventricles make up the right heart and the left atrium ventricle make up the left heart. The structure of the heart also houses the biggest atrium in the body, the aorta. The right and the left region of the heart are separated by a wall of muscle called septum. The right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs for reoxygenating through the pulmonary arteries. The right semilunar valves close the prevent the blood from flowing back into the heart. It closes to avoid the flow back of blood. Then the oxygenated blood is received by the left atrium from the lungs via the pulmonary arteries. As we can see the structure of the heart, here are the some labels as superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, aorta, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, left atrium and left ventricle. Anatomy of human heart. The heart weighs between 7 and 15, that is 200 to 425 grams, and is a little larger than the size of your fist. By the end of a long life, a person's heart may have beaten more than 3.5 billion times. In fact, each day the average heartbeat is 1 lakh times, pumping about 2000 gallons, that is 7571 liters of blood. Your heart is located between your lungs in the middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone. A double-layered membrane called a pericardium surrounded your heart like a sac. The outer layer of a surrounded the roots of your heart, major blood vessels, and it is attached to ligaments of your spinal column, diaphragm, and other parts of your body. The inner layer of it is attached to the heart, a muscle, a coating of a spectract, the two layers of membrane, letting the heart move as it beats. Now let us see how can I keep my heart healthy. We can keep our healthy heart by making it function properly by following below methods. Achieve and maintain a healthy weight for your sex and age. Drink alcohol in moderate. Eat a heart healthy diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercise moderate for at least 150 minutes per week. Limit sodium intake. Manage your stress with healthy strategy like meditation and exercise. Quit smoking or using tobacco and avoid second-hand smoking. World Hearts Day. The World Heart Day, annually observed and celebration held on September 29, that is to increase the public awareness of cardiovascular disease. In 1999, the World Heart Federation, in conjunction with the World Health Organization, announced and established of the World Heart Day. The World Heart Day was organized until 2011, observed on the last Sunday in September, with the first celebration take place on September 24, 2000. Since the first Heart Day, WHF, which is non-governmental organization, has been continued to sponsors the annual event, established and distributed information and declaring as them for the day. Education programs designed to engage the public are the major part of the World Heart Day. In addition, the scientific meeting and gathering of international cardiovascular research, organizing a medical society and held on or in the day leading up to the World Heart. More than 90 countries participate in celebration of each year as the result to aware the cardiovascular disease to the public. The level of involvement established informed to research the developed countries that are mostly aware effective in this disease. So this is the end of the presentation. So hope you all got some basic information on human heart. Thank you.